Hi, I'm Zach, and this is Monster Truck launching. We will have our trucks up here, and let's get started. I'm only going to do 30 trucks, still a lot, but compared to how many I have. Let's start with bad news.
Alright, Guinness, what happened to your,
Team Hot Wheels.
Did you lose it or did you get tired of it, Bob? Where's your phone?
Max D.
Whoa, careful there, Zach.
Captain's Curse.
Oh, because it came up here. Alright, we're done, okay? Because that's still not done anyway.
No, 4 trucks. Tasmanian Devil is the 5th. Time fly.
Alright, Guinness, we're done, baby. We're done. Come here. Here, Guinness.
I've counted 7 for Heartbreaker. 8, Son of a Digger. Nice, she'll get the lead. Grave Digger the Legend. Oh. 10, will be Stone Crusher. Oh. Went a little wild there. Did not mean to do that. Predator will be number 11. Nice bounce. Backdraft is 12. Ooh, they'll take the lead. 13, Black Sally. Ooh, even better lead. Wow, trucks are fierce. The Felon, 14. Just hope he doesn't eat them. 15, Jurassic Attack. And then halftime show. It is halftime, so we need a halftime show. So down. And Jesus has started love. Here's the Grave Digger, attempting the longest jump. It won't count. Here we go.
Whoa, Zach, careful, man, careful.
Okay. Oh, man. 16. Okay, the Grave Digger. Spitfire. He did not get the ball. Right, he might have. Yeah, here's what should have happened. The 30th anniversary Grave Digger. Going to get there as well. Nice. Here's 18th. It will be super.
Bo Beetle, legendary detective.
Oh.
I've never heard of Bo Beetle before in my life. Have you?
Air Force Ranger. Airborne Ranger. 18th.
Legendary.
No.
To him.
Here's 20. He's shattered. Nice, you're good. Bounty Hunter. 21. Yeah, he's 20. No. Yeah, okay. 22 is Samson. 23, Michigan Ice Monster. The Edge Glow, nice. Got 24. Maybe you do too, it's Taz. 25, Screaming Demon. Oh, it went out of speed. I made that lane come. At the end, I will check the links. At the end. 26 is Barbarian. 27 is Reptoid. 28 is Prowler. I want to damage this one too bad. It already has damage to it. Oh, 29 and 30. Right here, hold on, let's do that. Okay. So, 29 is Western Renegade. Ooh, it's flying. And 30, fine. Last but not least, Mohawk Warrior. Let's see how he does. I know I'm talking deep. Sorry. You can't hear me. Sorry. Here we go. Oh, let me go check who won. Black Stallion is your winner. Woo! He gets an extra launch. Yeah, he gets an extra launch from the other side. Oh, he knocks the camera over. Woo! Screen okay? Woo! Took the landing damage. Woohoo! Thank you for watching. Woo! Yeah, he won.